A joint exercise of the Army, Indian Air Force and Navy concluded successfully with excellent display of highest level of interoperability and synergy between armed forces. With the infusion of new generation equipment with niche technologies, exercise Purvi Prahar displayed highest order of professional management among our forces. In between, your channel Northeast Live, which was given exclusive access to cover the exercise on ground, spoke to chopper pilot from the Army and Navy.
During exercise Purvi Prahar, the choppers from the Indian Army are taking part. We have with us one of the pilots of Rudra of the Indian Army. Now we would like to interact with him on the overall experience he has during this exercise Purvi Prahar.
Okay, so we are from an ALS-WSI unit, and attack helicopters provide effective close air support to the ground forces. We are capable of engaging targets with precision strikes, suppressing the target and providing information. If required, we can carry out surveillance and recce tasks as well. We are highly motivated and trained and are equipped with the latest technology to ensure mission success in this challenging terrain where navigation and mission execution is heavily dependent on this unpredictable weather.
We know that there has been a lot of technological innovation and changes in fact. So how this has helped you during this joint exercise?
Okay, we already have the ALS-WSI, which is known as Rudra, and the LCH, which is known as Prachand, in the inventory of the Indian Army. Very soon, Apache attack helicopters will also be incorporated in our fleet. So this effective integration of capabilities will have a force multiplier effect on the successful execution of the ground operations.
We have a pilot with us of the Cheetah helicopter. We'd like to interact with him. During this operation Purvi Prahar, what has been your experience?
So we are here in the Cheetah unit over here. We are capable of engaging targets with precision strikes and providing intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance whenever needed. We are highly trained and professionals and equipped with latest technologies for providing mission success. The mission success navigation is highly dependent on the unpredictable weather over here. We are capable of overcoming the weather, predicting the weather and operating in this highly challenging terrain.